In this video, we are comparing two popular AI website builders, TenWeb and Durable. Which one is the right choice for you? Let's find out. We will look at their features, pricing, and who they are best for. Let's start off with Durable. Durable is a different kind of website builder. Its main feature is speed and simplicity. How fast? It can build a website for you in about 30 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 30 seconds. It uses artificial intelligence to do all the heavy lifting. You just answer a few simple questions about your business. Durable's AI then generates a complete website for you. This includes text, images, and professional layout. It's designed for people who need to get online as quickly as possible. You don't have to worry about design or content creation. Durable also comes with other useful business tools. It has a built-in CRM to manage your customers. It also has invoicing tools to help you get paid. It's an all-in-one platform for small business owners. Now let's talk about the top features. AI-powered website generation. This is the star of the show for Durable. The AI website generation is incredibly fast. You start by entering your business type and name. The AI then asks a couple more questions to understand your needs, and that's it. In less than a minute, you have a fully designed website. The AI chooses the layout, colors, and fonts for you. It also writes all the initial text content. This is perfect for people who are not designers or writers. It takes the guesswork out of building a website. The generated site is also mobile friendly, so it looks good on any device. You can still make changes to the website after it's created, but the initial setup is completely automated. This feature is a massive time saver for busy entrepreneurs. Getting your website seen by people is very important. Durable helps you with this by including built-in SEO tools. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. Durable's AI helps create content with the relevant keywords for your industry. This can help you rank higher in search results. It also takes care of technical SEO aspects in the background. You don't need to be an SEO expert to get started. Durable also provides tools for social media marketing. It can generate social media post ideas for you. This helps you keep your social media profiles active and engaging. These marketing features are designed to help you grow your business online. Durable is designed to be extremely easy to use. The entire process is straightforward and guided. From the moment you start, you will see how simple it is. There are no complicated settings or options to confuse you. The focus is on getting you a professional website with minimal effort. Even after your site is generated, making edits is simple. The editor is not as complex as a drag and drop builder, but it allows you to change text, images, and basic layouts. This simplicity is a big advantage for people who are not tech savvy. If you find other website builders overwhelming, Durable might be for you. It removes all the technical barriers to getting online. It's all about speed, convenience, and ease of use. Durable's pricing is simple and transparent. They offer a free trial so you can see the AI in action. You can generate a website for free. To publish your site with a custom domain, you will need a paid plan. They have a couple of main plans, the starter and the business plan. The starter plan is great for individuals and new businesses. It includes the AI website builder and other essential tools. The business plan offers more features like more users and marketing tools. The pricing is very reasonable for an all-in-one platform. It can save you money compared to buying a website builder, CRM, and invoicing software separately. It provides a lot of value for small business owners. Durable is ideal for specific group of people. It's perfect for small business owners who are short on time. If you need a website up and running yesterday, Durable is your answer. It's also great for those who feel intimidated by technology. The AI does all the hard work for you. If you want an all in one solution for your online business, Durable is a strong contender. The built in CRM and invoicing tools are a huge bonus. It's for people who prioritize speed and convenience over deep customization. If you want a good looking, functional website without any fuzz, give Durable a try. Now let's talk about 10Web. 10Web is a modern website builder that uses artificial intelligence or AI. This makes building a website super fast and easy. It is built on top of WordPress, which is a very popular system for websites. Think of 10Web as a smart helper that builds a WordPress site for you. You don't need to be a computer expert to use it. It helps you create a professional looking website in just a few minutes. 10Web is great for people who want a powerful website without the hard work. It uses Google Cloud to host your site, which means your website will be fast and safe. It is designed for businesses, online stores, and agencies. Are you ready to see how AI can build your website? The AI website builder is the star of 10Web. Imagine describing your business in a few words and a full website is created for you. That's what this feature does. It generates everything: text, images, and the design of your website. You can even give it a link to a website you like and it will recreate that style for you. This saves a lot of time and effort. You don't have to start from an empty page. The AI gives you a complete website that you can then change and make your own. It's like having a web designer who works in seconds. What if you want to make changes to your new website? The AI Copilot is here to help. It works inside the website editor, which is based on a tool called Elementor. You can ask the AI Copilot to do things for you. For example, you can tell it to change the color of all buttons to blue or write a paragraph about our company history. It understands your commands and makes the changes. This makes editing your website as easy as talking to a person. It helps you fine-tune your website without needing to know any code or complex settings. 10Web doesn't just build your site, it also takes care of it. It provides high-quality hosting on Google Cloud, which is very reliable. This means your website is always online and loads quickly for your visitors. 10Web automatically handles all the technical stuff. It does automatic backups so you never lose your work. It also does security checks to protect your site from bad guys, and it makes sure your website is always updated to the latest version of WordPress. You can focus on your business and 10Web will manage the rest. Have you ever waited a long time for a website to open? That's bad for business. 10Web promises to make your website super fast. It automatically optimizes your site to get a score of 90 or more on Google's page speed test. A fast website makes visitors happy and can help you rank higher in Google search results. 10Web does this by making images smaller, organizing code, and using other smart tricks. You don't have to do anything technical. 10Web makes sure your site is fast on computers and mobile phones. 10Web has different plans for different needs. The prices are clear and easy to understand. They have plans for starting a new site, for beginner business, and for agencies that build sites for others. The AI Starter plan is great for personal websites and small businesses. It usually starts around $10 per month if you pay for a whole year. If you need more features like for online store, the AI Premium and AI Ultimate plans are available. These plans cost a bit more but offer more power. They offer a free trial so you can test it before you buy. So, who is it for? 10Web is perfect for people who want the power of WordPress without the difficulty. If you are a small business owner, this is a great choice. You can get a professional website up and running very quickly. It's also great for freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients. The AI tools help you work much faster. If you want a very fast and secure website and love the idea of using AI to help you, 10Web is for you. It's for doers who want to focus on their ideas, not the technology behind them. So, which one is the winner? It really depends on what you need. If you want a powerful, flexible, and super fast website with lots of room to grow, 10web is the way to go. It's perfect for those who want strength of WordPress without the technical hassle. The AI Copilot and website recreation features are amazing for creating a truly unique and professional site. On the other hand, if you need a simple, good-looking website and you need it yesterday, Durable is your answer. It is incredibly fast and easy to use, and the built-in CRM and invoicing tools are a huge plus for small business owners. I hope this review has helped you decide which AI website builder is right for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.